everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Anitra Latrice. I am a wife and working mom to 4 beautiful children. On my channel you can expect to see weekly vlogs, day in the life, get ready with me, wig reviews, a little bit of cleaning, and a whole lot of things. So if you are into any of that, go ahead and hit that fabulous subscribe button and click the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop a video. So y'all already know what's about to come at you. This video is brought to you by the lovely Love Me Hair. They sent over this cute and gorgeous unit, honey, and let me tell you, it is absolutely amazing. So before we get into the nitty-gritty of the details of this unit, you know they sent your girl over some goodies. They sent over a cute little bag with all the goodies in. They sent over a mirror. They also sent over a scarf head wrap. It's so nice, it's so pretty. They sent over a baby hair brush comb combo, and they also sent over some wig caps. So let's get into the nitty-gritty of this unit. This is a compact 13x4 mixed brown curly bob lace frontal wig, and it is absolutely amazing. The hairline is so soft and melts absolutely amazing into your skin. The hairline is ultra natural for every angle. This unit has got you with the hairline, okay? Free parting, so you can part on the left, the right, in the middle, wherever your heart desires. Very versatile, so if you want to wear it out of your face, you can do so, or you can just wear it however. This unit is very vibrant. Like, these colors are absolutely amazing. A brilliant mixed brown unit. Has sufficient parting space, so you have the option to part it however you want. This unit is also very flattering for any face shape. I feel like anyone can wear this and look absolutely gorgeous. The lace looks very good, and I feel like it will match a lot of skin tones as well. So let me tell you some more details about this unit. The length on this unit is 12 inches. The density is 150%, and it's 100% virgin human hair. This unit can last 1 year or more, and if you choose to dye this, you can. If you want to put a little more highlights, you can do so. The hair color, like I said, is a mixed brown, which is a 40/30. The hairline has been lightly pre-plucked. I have not done any plucking to this unit. This is how it comes right out of the box. It does come with adjustable straps and an attached band. It also comes with 4 combs, one on each side, one in the middle, and one in the back. The circumference of this unit is 22.5 inches, which is like your standard medium cap. The lace is a medium brown. It looks really good on my skin tone. I did not do any lace tint on this unit at all. I just cut the lace and put it on. And again, the parting space on this unit is a compact 13x4. So this hair is so soft and lightweight. It doesn't feel like a lot of hair on my head. It's very lightweight, very flowy, great for you to wear for Valentine's or getting ready for your spring vacation or summer vacation. Any vacation, this unit has got you covered. It's absolutely amazing. The shedding is very minimum. As you know, with curly units, you do get shedding, but you are not getting a handful of hair in your hand. The shedding is very minimum. So be ready for your next date night or your next outing with the girls. This unit has got you. It is a great option to have in your wig rotation. I also feel like this is a great transition into more advanced units from beginners to like intermediate. It was an easy unit to install. I didn't have any issues really putting it on. The cap did come ear to ear. It doesn't fit tight on my head or too loose. It actually fits really good. It's absolutely amazing unit to have. I didn't have any issues cutting the lace or laying the lace, so I do recommend this to everyone. It wasn't a hard unit to put on, so if you feel a little hesitant into trying a lace frontal wig, go ahead and try this one. It was very easy to do. But if you are interested in seeing just how easy it was to put this unit on, stay tuned.
I don't want us to go. Yeah, you could be my lifeline, you could be my sunshine in a world so full of pain. Can you make it go away? Used to be so sad that love was lost, but now it's here to stay. Yeah, I used to be uncomfortable, but look at me today. Never thought I'd find someone like you, someone to show the way. But now I know you're the answer to my prayer. You and me must be right. Something's in the air, I can feel it now. You and me must do something right. We can't get enough of us. You and me every night, aiming for the stars with the love so bright. You and me must do something right. Baby, I believe in us. I believe in you and me, you and me, you and me, you and me, yeah. I believe in you and me, you and me, you and me, you and me, yeah. I'm sorry for the burden, sorry I was hurting, but my scars are almost healed. Yeah, my scars are almost healed. Yeah, I'm feeling like a child now, everything's alright now, and it's all because of you. You made the flower in me bloom. Used to be afraid of everything, but now there's no more fear. Yeah, I used to let nobody in and hide my face with tears. But we thought of you as someone who can love someone like me. But I was wrong, baby, now I believe. You and me.
Alright y'all, so I have finished diffusing this hair, and honey, it is absolutely amazing. Do y'all see how cute this hair is? Like, it is so gorgeous, absolutely amazing. 100% recommend this unit. It was so easy to put on, so easy to get right. It is absolutely an amazing unit to have. I like how flowy it is. I like how lightweight it is. It just makes me want to put on a nice flowy cute dress with some heels on and just look absolutely amazing. So let me show you the back.
Now you and me must do something right. We can't get enough of us. You and me every night, aiming for the stars with the love so bright. You and me must do something right. Baby, I believe in us. I believe in you and me, you and me.
And there you have it. I would like to thank luvmehair for sponsoring this video. If you are interested in more details or getting this unit for yourself, head on over into the description box below for all the details. And you know I got you. You know I do. There's a coupon code down there as well, so you can save those coins. And if you have not already, please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop a video. Until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.